Now let's talk about the mini capsule features. Somehow this is their main talking points when they offer this phone in the mall. Well, in short, guys, it's useless, so don't be fooled, okay? The only information or that this mini capsule can be useful, but for me it's not useful, which is when you plug your charger, it will pop a notification that your phone is charging, showing the percentage. It will also show your data usage and then your footsteps. Other than that, it's useless. So don't bother. Now, moving on to the features that can be found in your settings. So let's go to home screen and lock screen. So now this. So you can see the double tap to lock and then the double tap to wake or turned off. So make sure you activate that. Um, I like that feature because activating this feature will slow down the wear and tear of your power button where your fingerprint scanner is also located. Now, also one notable feature is about your icons. Now, you have few options. Um, if you prefer square icons, then you could just choose one there. But you can also change the size, make it bigger, make it smaller. But I prefer the circle ones. Looks better, actually, for me when it comes to the circles. What else? We also have the smart sidebar, which is commonly found also with other smartphones. So all you have to do is just swipe the upper right of your screen. And there you can see some options. You could actually choose your favorite apps. Now, I'm not going to give you an example for the screen translate because unfortunately they have chosen to use Google Translate instead of creating their own translate. So I'm having difficulty making the translate or doing the translate from English language to Filipino or other languages. Just to give you an example why I'm having difficulty. So let's open Google. Let's find something. Wherever this is. Okay. Now let's go to translate. Now, see, it will highlight the Google website, anything that is not useful when you wanted to translate. See that? See. And I tried to find a way to unhighlight it, but I can't find it. I don't know how. Maybe you know. So if you found a way to unhighlight those unnecessary words, then just hit a comment. Okay, just make a comment. So now let's go with the RAM expansion. So actually, for most, if you are not aware, okay, the RAM expansion basically uses your storage. Okay, so it's a virtual RAM which uses your storage. Now, using this feature actually doesn't give you anything nor improve anything when I was testing it. So it's not gonna improve your gaming experience. It will just wear your storage quicker. So if you wear your storage quicker, that means you're gonna break your motherboard sooner than later. So I highly recommend that you turn this feature off since it's not gonna help anything anyway. And besides, you already have 6 GB of RAM, which is more than enough when it comes to multitasking, even playing games, actually. Now, with the screen, so Realme chose the IPS LCD, obviously, which is I prefer. Because the reason I prefer the IPS, if you haven't watched my other video, is that IPS actually has less burn in, or it takes a while before you experience burn in compared to AMOLED. As I've stated before in my video, um, I have my Razer Phone 2, which I got it back in 2018, and I have my Samsung Galaxy S20, which I got it in year 2020. So the the Razer phone that I had, which is an IPS screen, until today it doesn't have any burn in or any discoloration. But with my Samsung S20, it's actually getting worse. I'm getting burn in and image retentions, and some discolorations in some other parts of the screen. So that's the disadvantage of AMOLED. So, and also one of the things that I don't like with AMOLED is that it oversaturates the color. So for some people they liked it, but for me I prefer softer color, which IPS can provide. Especially when you're watching movie in AMOLED screen, um, once you're watching in a dark scene, when you're watching a movie in a dark scene rather, um, you will lose some of the details on the background compared to IPS. Now let's get into the camera. So the camera does not have optical image stabilization or a digital image stabilization. So when you're going to be taking photo or video rather, it will be shaky or a bit shaky even when you tried your hardest not to move. You will see or you'll still notice on your video that there's shake on it. And here's an example. All right, so now with regard to the 64 megapixels, now this one gives justice into your photo. Now I found out that Realme uses the OmniVision sensors, which is commonly used in a budget smartphone and CCTVs. And here are the example of the photos that I took a few days ago. Now let's talk about the pro mode of the camera. Actually, to be honest, there's nothing much to talk about it, except you only have five options to make the adjustments on your camera. And actually, you don't have to do this by yourself because the basic ones, the AI camera, will actually do it very well when taking photos. Either you use the regular photo feature or you use the 64 megapixels camera features. So either way, either of these options, it takes actually, for me, it takes great photos when it comes to this price range. Okay. So the 64 megapixels camera sensor that they put, which is the OmniVision sensor, gives justice to the photos that you're going to take. Okay, so now let's talk about the front camera, which has 8 megapixels wide sensor. So when we made a test, I was surprised that the front camera was able to capture a near accurate color, like the skin tone, color of the shirt, lips, and the background. Unfortunately, guys, I cannot show you the sample of the photo that was taken because the person who made the test for the front facing camera doesn't want to be popular. So, yeah. But definitely, guys, the front facing camera, if you love selfies, then it won't disappoint you. Okay, so let's just take a quick look on the gaming feature. So on the upper left, so you have to swipe it like that. So you will see some options here. So balance mode, pro gamer, game focus mode, touch optimization. So you can see options there. Screenshot, screen recording, voice changer also. So yeah, I don't know why they put a voice changer, but it's a good addition to the experience. Okay, so let's play the game. It's not responsive there. Okay, so playing PUBG definitely. Um, there's no problem. There's no lag. Everything is good and smooth. So far, there's no lag. Well, it's actually expected. There's no lag because of the processor that it has. So don't know why I'm expecting a lag for this game. There. So Mobile Legends, of course, it's not a graphic extensive game, so that's why it can handle very well, or the phone can handle this game very well. Okay. Okay, guys, before I forget, so I'll also gonna be giving out this smartphone, this Realme C55. So all you need to do is just subscribe and comment. Um, add some emoji as well, but this time do not mention that I am running a giveaway on the comment section. Okay. So anyone running or will be mentioning I'm running a giveaway on the comment section, they will automatically disqualify. So yeah, so that's our new mechanics now. Okay. Because and please make sure to watch the entire video. So we're not just after the subscriber counts. We also need to catch up with the watch time hours. So it's a long way to go. So once again, guys, thank you for watching. Good luck. Just a quick message, guys, before we wrap things up. I just wanted to warn all of my subscribers and viewers that someone was pretending as Wise Wonder Tech recently. Um, these scammers are actually making replies to my viewers or subscribers, telling them that they want a prize. So, guys, that's not me. Just look at the picture that's posted here. So that's entirely not me. So the winner of the giveaway will always going to be announced on the video. Okay. So anyway, guys, just be careful. Okay. Okay. So now, what's my verdict about this phone? Well, for its price, 9,000 pesos, with 64 megapixels of camera, and then you also get MediaTek Helio G88, 6 gigabyte of RAM, 128 gigabyte of storage, which is actually a good deal. Okay. Um, Performance wise of the cameras you've seen with my test, it doesn't disappoint. Um, Even the LCD that they have chosen, which is the IPS, which I prefer. Again, some other may object, because of course it's subjective. Some prefer AMOLED, but me personally, I always prefer the IPS just because of the durability and the softer color that it produces, compared to the AMOLED. So if you're looking for a smartphone and you have 9,000 pesos, then I can recommend you to buy definitely the Realme C55. Um, but overall, uh, it is a buy. So it's a must buy a smartphone. Especially if you love the Realme product. So definitely, you could just go ahead, go to the mall or buy it through Lazada or Shopee, and you can get it for 9,000 pesos. So that's my verdict, guys. That's all for today. I'm still sick, but I have no choice. I have to make this video because it's long overdue. Supposedly, I should have done this video last week, but I caught a flu, unfortunately. To my subscribers, local and international, thank you for your support. So we've reached over 200 of subscriber. So hopefully you'll stay until I get successful. I become successful. Um, and congratulations to the winner. So unfortunately, guys, only one can win this phone. But I can assure you in the future, once we're successful enough or being paid enough and sponsored enough by the manufacturers, then we won't stop giving smartphones. So it's not just going to be one. Hopefully, it's going to be three, not just two, because my plan is at least three smartphones or even actually laptop. So hopefully that would happen soon. So once again, thank you for your support. You have a good day, and you have a good day.